practical number 4 is to verify De Morgan's theorem. So here in this practical we are going to verify the two De Morgan law, that is A and B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, and the second one is A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar and B bar. And here you are watching the relevant program outcomes as well. Now I'll explain the pin diagram of De Morgan's theorem. Now this is De Morgan's theorem number 1. Here you can see A dot B. A and B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So in this is the left hand side and this is right hand side. So the left hand side circuit is this. We need a NAND gate, IC number 7400. This is the pin diagram of the left hand side. Pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 is input, and pin number 3 is output. Here we are going to connect LED. And the output, this is the truth table of the NAND gate. We are going to get, so for 0 0 it is 1, 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 it is 1, and 1 1 it is 0. Now this is right hand side, and right hand side pin diagram we can see. Here we will need a NOT gate. The IC number is 7404. In a single NOT gate there are 6 NOT gates. Out of that we are going to use these 2 NOT gates. And one more IC we will need, that is a OR gate, and that is 7432. So the pin configuration is like this. Pin number 1 is input. Pin number 3 is input of NOT gate. Pin number 2 of NOT gate is connected to pin number 1 of OR gate. Pin number 4 of NOT gate is connected to pin number 2 of OR gate, and 3 is the output. Here we are going to connect LED, and this is the truth table of this experiment, and we can prove that. Now you can see here left hand side output is same as right hand side output, hence De Morgan's theorem can be proved. Now we are going to prove it practically. This is De Morgan's theorem number 2, that is A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. A bar and B bar. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. This is the logic diagram of this equation, A plus B the whole bar. It is a NOT gate. We need an IC 7402. So in this IC, pin number 2 is input, 3 is input, and 1 is output. And here we are going to connect LED. And this is the truth table of NOT gate. Now right hand side, the first here the right hand side equation is A bar and B bar. So to get A bar, here NOT gate is connected, and here to get B bar, here NOT gate is connected. So 1 is input A and 3 is input B, and 2 and 4 is the output of this NOT gate, and they are connected to the input of this AND gate. So here we will need 2 ICs, 7404 NOT gate IC and 7408 AND gate IC. So pin number 2 of NOT gate is connected to pin number 1 of AND gate. Pin number 4 of NOT gate is connected to pin number 2 of AND gate, and pin number 3 of AND gate is the output. Here we are going to connect LED. And this is the truth table of your right hand side equation. And you can see right hand side is equal to left hand side theoretically. Now we are going to practically find out this. So this is the overall connection of De Morgan's theorem number 1, that is A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So this is left hand side LED and this is right hand side LED, and we are going to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side by giving the inputs. Now the input of this right hand side is connected with the input of left hand side, and we will give only once input, and both the outputs we can see simultaneously. So I will give the input 0 0. So the truth table of the De Morgan's theorem number 1 is shown here. So for 0 0 output should be 1. So we are going to check. So input A 0 and B 0. I'm going to switch on the power supply, and you can see left hand side and right hand side both is 1. Now I am going to give 0, A 0 and B 1. Here output should be 1, so we can check. the left hand side is equal to 1 and right hand side is also equal to 1. Now I am going to give A1 and B0. So you can see left hand side is equal to 1 and right hand side is also equal to 1. And now the last state we are going to change, that is both the inputs should be at 1 1. So this is A and B. We are going to connect to VCC 1 1. I'm going to put on the power supply and you can see left hand side is also 0 and right hand side is also 0. Hence the truth table is proved. Here is the practical connections of De Morgan theorem 2, which I have explained before, and that is A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So I have already done all the connections here. So this is left hand side connection. This is 7402 IC. One output, 2 and 3 is input. So here 2 and 3 input. So in this is A and this is B. And this is right hand side. This is output. And here this is 7404 IC and this is 7408 IC. Now what I have done is the input of this is connected to input of this IC, and this black to black wire, that is input of this is connected to input of this IC. So practically that means we can check both the outputs at the same time. So now I am going to give here 0 0 input. So you can check the truth table here. For 0 0 input, the output should be 1 theoretically of left hand side and right hand side, and we are going to verify this now. So I am going to give the input 0. That means I am going to connect both the input wires, that is A and B, to ground. So here A and B, I am going to connect it to ground. I am going to switch on the power supply, and you can check here output left hand side is 1 and right hand side is also 1. Okay? Now the next input A0 and B1. So A here is 0 and B I am going to connect to VCC, that is 1, and the output should be 0 of left hand side and right hand side. So we are going to check that. When I switch on the power supply, the output is 0. Left hand side is 0 and right hand side is also 0. Now for the next input 1 and 0, A1 and B0. So that is A1 and B0. Output should be 0. So that means left hand side should be 0 and right hand side should be 0 theoretically. So practically we are going to find now, and you can see both are 0. Now I am going to check the last input, that is 1 and 1. For input A and 1 and B also 1. You can check here. I am going to connect it both to VCC, that is logic 1, and the output should be 0. I am going to switch on the power supply, and you can check here the output is 0. Hence we have verified De Morgan's theorem 2. Left hand side and right hand side both are equal for all the combinations of input.